and one bar collapse. So I come here to buy this. This is the wardrobe and this is the one bar. So this one here, you can do it, and we can mail it even to you. If you are in somewhere and you want, please, if you have my number and you want us to mail it to you, send me hi, tell me you need it, we will mail it to you. Okay, we brought it for our people. You see, every time that I do fufu in microwave, I see a lot of people say the fufu, microwave fufu is not good. Because I never found a photocopy. Microwave fufu is not good. Microwave fufu is not good. So I said, you know, from now going, I'm not doing microwave fufu anymore. I'm doing this one now. I have one that is long, but it broke. So this one is here. Then this one's here. Just say I can do it like that. So you just need your one plantain, one cassava, and you really need some. Please, how much? If you send me a message, I will tell you. We ship it wherever you are. Within America here. London, no. Within America here, we can ship it. If you need it, just send me hi. Tell me on my WhatsApp, and we will ship it to you. So, Daniel, do you have more, dear? You have more? Okay, so me, I'm taking one. I will do live for you guys to see it. As soon as I go, I'm going to do live for you. Oh, it's very cute. You talk to me on WhatsApp, Nana. Yes, because you know right now they say that the way we are using the microwave, it's not good, especially me. So right now I will do my fufu here, but I need sexy one. All of them are sexy one. I need one, so please, I'm getting one. How much is for one? Daniel, how much? You don't have my number. Nana, you have my number. Can you give it to Sylvia for me? Nana, give my number to Sylvia for me. Oh, they have it in Ghana. But in America here, if you want. Nana, give my number to Sylvia for me. You got to give it on the inbox. Please, are you in Bronx? No, I'm in New Jersey. It's in New Jersey. So if you want it, it's New Jersey. We can mail it to you in Bronx. If you pin number, they won't let you in. You have to send it to her on her. Patrick, where are you? I'm in New Jersey. Sylvia, who are New Jersey? And they are watching my African market. East Orange. East Orange. East Orange.
East Orange.
Oh, East Orange. East and Orange. Oh, and now come am confused? I'm used to East Orange. Newark. Oh, Newark. If you are Newark. Okay, so we are close. Yeah, Newark share boundaries. It's your East Orange. East Orange. Our William Street. 536 William Street. 536 William Street. East Orange. And yeah, East Orange. I kind of fast. Another day, I'm confused, sir. And yeah, East Orange. This is orange. Okay, so patch me pay anyway back. Me so where me the kwa ya advert ama discount oh. Me pa mo chomo papa mo body na mo je discount. Discount ni hia me. Send me some Milo. Oh, please. Come and get it and you get your discount. Mercy. How much? They are asking for how much?
For wardrobe.
Wardrobe one bag. 50. Wardrobe one bag $50. Now discount ni to better swine.
Discount no matters. No, 55 into discount.
Discount. Oh, 55. Hey, $5 pay. Me do we see one who hear me oh. Me pa mo chop.
So bad no go din dia
okay, tip patch 55 ya to 50. O ba sanso bo me din ya be ma ye be $2 a fee so no one 48. What you say? Shipping be on anikawa. But if you think about eating in microwave, now we want to have a power bunch and idea because they are and we don't know what they use it for. Martha is out here be. Ain't me back on Brawana. Because who did the Uncle Jody are bro with you? Martha Lisa. Okay. Martha Lisa, my mentor won't can I woman you back on Najo Fambro. Me patch you will blow a yacht show so I say. Now I don't know Ghana bro or much you nay then the woman sit down a home way. What's the Hanum did ya Boko Nibia? Yeah, I had him did me call Ghana me tell bro I want you. Yeah, wait, yeah, you will bro yacht you will be what Hanum say. But don't say your ding. What's your day? Catch her. Matter is and Patrick catch her, you know, can't Gloria no on can't me. Na me fen send no. Mayama a Joe dia bro wo fie. Catch a glory ama me pacho. A bro wa ya cho ne wa Ghana de ani bi. Ene ye wa ahanum se de toast one. Ene ti bomba dia na send brahanum se ye wo chiman. Eye din ye ochiman ahanum ye wo street pa kwan ni mu me pacho. Eye address ni ye 536 William Street, East Orange. Please, thank you very much. Yamisha, na dan ya woni ndwom wa be bone ya asa. Ya wo kenke ene ya wo hyeto so wa mpa acho. Ya wo sardine type bia wa hanum say. Ya wo sardine ene ya wo tinapa so type bia wa ha. Ene ya wo hyeto bebre so wa ha. Me de hyeto amidi hu adanse ye ode pa hyeto. Ebia wa hanum bi, but ade pa hyeto de obi ase ye. Enti wudu ha kasa wo pa ade pa hyeto. Ade pa hyeto de me na me kacho. Ba ye wo bebre so wa ha ba we na me di binti we na metimi edi hu adanse. Aha. Ene ye wo tomatoes sauce so wa ha say, oh wow. Patrick we hu tomatoes sauce so wa ha say. Okay, ebusiafo mi kun be kwa adwuma. Eni nti no me da ye wo nsuo wa ye won trouble wa ha say. Ye wo garden eggs wa ha say. Ene ye wo kobi. Ye wo kobi wa ha. Ye wo eta ye de ka benku wa ha. Ene ye wo kra so a wo de benum. Isefu. Upen sefu a ye wo kra so wa ha say. Ye wo broad. Mpacho we me broad kokko no. Aha, ye wo ginger wa ha say. Ene ye wo tomatoes wa ha. Ene ye wo obi say we me twam na me fanfa me nsa no so. No, me sana ye me ya no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, inti mami too. What say very good. Aloe vera. Me shoulder. Yeah, what say me twam na emu cream no. Me fanye ye honom. Ba wo so se ye de ye nim.
Me ma me odi ye me ti.
Me de what say me shoulder. Me shoulder. Say me shoulder no. Me fa anye ye me shoulder no. And inti pacho, if you are watching me, share my video for me. My brother, I'm doing advert too. Yes, intimate pay too. And I'm a brother. And Pacho, you where you me brother and cocoa no way. And I'm in fact where you. Hey, mamma, do a cotton body or bed del body was so and so and mamma 6 for that. Hey, in bar, yeah, worry a few, but baby, any you play free. Maybe or where you me away. Let me pay. 2 you back when me tree. Ni ye wie free ye ho enti me pacho ye wo bibia wa ha sei we ye den I was sakoko ani susu ani food susu wo wa was akoko susu the best we ho pacho sadi gold susu de ye best ene de ye best na me hwe ani food no any product and I was I don't know what it will happen but we are men journey the tray we answer no abom where you be broke me pacho da be saudi man who say me bro na ya make say precisely no we no the precisely word the man yo bro na ya make say precisely no Daniel and na on make say be precisely enti da ko me hu ya ne say me social media me so make say precisely. I feel the viewers listen na brofo baby. Magic Hands, how are you? Thank you so much for yesterday. And the viewers listen na brofo baby precisely. And it's no so na intimate strong. Uba hanu ma ye wodokon, twa ye wa de padokon wa ha. Ye wa gakenke. Ye wa de padokon ma me pato ma me ye ma de advert. Adepa na ye medie mu am strong. Me wa de pa benku wa ha sei. Adepa benku. And ye wa de pa kenke so wa ha sei. Ope e fanti do konsusu a ye wo bi wa ha no se ene ye wo nkrado konsusu wa ha se ye wo nkrado ko wa ha enti me pa cho ye wo address 536 William Street. Oh yes me yes chinchin no well yes hey ma me nya advert ma wo me pa cho me pa mon cho see shade ade we hu se so person utina wiase mu cha mendi but the one no me ya that is them me a bombodi anakopa bi and catch adepa or why for adepa say wo hwa me a we make charge you because eye the papa eye adepa AB Pastries. AB Pastries. De papa. And Katia a kube wom. Na the way you see it, no, me toy no. My wrist a damn to me back. Just a kutami and I'm serious. And it's at the pastries. So, Shamia. Yes, aha, Nana 536 William Street, East Orange. Thank you so much. Address Nene. I hope you say will be better me. My mission is to make me pin in. Aha. Thank you, Nana. And it's me patcho way at the BAB Pastries. And what was all your chips? So now we need chips. Oh, the chips are. I don't make what bronzes. One say this was. Hey, and now didn't want
chips. No, I made a mistake. I think it's instead of chips, no, mommy, and you know,
on my way for more
about chips.
Hey, I didn't yet do. But then your upper zone is with that. This is not good.
No,
hold him. My judge is saying, my catcher said, no food upstairs. And I feel me, they was so number ferry into me this year. I didn't check Kakabas. Oh, you are eating in the room. Now, no, I didn't see you empty. I can say, empty. I can no, but it's so good. We are in New York and at the AB, I'm saying Amazon, so but seriously, it's very good. I hope it's on the sun and sun. The way I see it, then I hope it's on the sun and sun. It's no, me pamocho, ya will be via our Hanum say, until your address no. Oh no, I'm not going to look for anything. It's a misrow. But Diana share the video no ma'am say, oh Shamia, I was say me to so that the job be Juma into no. Ya mi shamo. Hey, you crop for Daniel. And crop for almost share me video. Precisely. Let come here. I have to do this with you.